Hello my friends and welcome to Cagliari, the captivating capital city of the beautiful island of Sardinia. Nestled along the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean Sea, this vibrant city invites you to immerse yourself in its rich history, picturesque old town, and bustling street life. From ancient Roman ruins to panoramic views and bustling local markets, Cagliari offers a truly enchanting experience that showcases the historic charm of this remarkable city. One of the highlights of Cagliari is its picturesque old town, known as Castello. As you wander through its narrow, winding streets, you'll be transported back in time to a bygone era. The architecture reflects a blend of styles, with influences from the Phoenicians, Romans, Pisans, and Catalans, who have all left their mark on the city. Take a leisurely stroll and discover hidden squares, ornate churches, and charming cafes that invite you to pause and soak in the atmosphere. Perched on top of a hill in Castello, you'll find the ancient Roman amphitheater, a testament to Cagliari's rich past. Built in the 2nd century AD, this impressive structure once hosted gladiatorial contests and other spectacles. Today, visitors can explore the well-preserved ruins and imagine the grandeur of the performances that took place within its walls. During the summer months, the amphitheater comes alive with cultural events, including concerts and theatrical performances. For breathtaking views of Cagliari and its surroundings, head to Bastione di Saint-Remy. This monumental structure, built in the late 19th century, offers panoramic vistas of the city's skyline, the sparkling sea, and the rolling hills in the distance. Climb the stairs to the top of the bastion and be rewarded with a captivating panorama that showcases the beauty of Cagliari from a new perspective. As you venture through the streets of Cagliari, you'll encounter a vibrant street life that reflects the city's dynamic energy. Piazza Yen, with its bustling cafes and lively atmosphere, is a popular gathering place for locals and visitors alike. Join the locals for an espresso or an aperitivo, and soak in the vibrant ambience of this vibrant square. Explore the colorful streets of Marina, where traditional fishermen's houses coexist with trendy bars and restaurants, creating a unique blend of old and new. Cagliari is also known for its lively local markets, where you can immerse yourself in the flavors and aromas of Sardinia. The Mercato di San Benedetto, one of the largest covered markets in Italy, is a true feast for the senses. Explore the stalls brimming with fresh produce, seafood, local cheeses, and cured meats. Engage with the friendly vendors, sample the regional specialties, and experience the vibrant culinary traditions of Sardinia. The city's rich cultural heritage is on display in its museums and art galleries. The National Archaeological Museum of Cagliari houses an impressive collection of artifacts, including ancient Roman sculptures, prehistoric ceramics, and medieval artifacts. Cagliari is also known for its vibrant festivals and events, which provide a glimpse into the city's traditions and customs. The Feast of Sant'Efisio, held on May 1st, is one of the most important religious events in Sardinia. Witness the colorful processions, traditional costumes, and lively celebrations that honor the city's patron saint. In conclusion, Cagliari is a city that effortlessly combines historic charm with a vibrant contemporary culture. Every corner of this captivating city tells a story. Please don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let us know where you'd like to see next. Until next time, thank you for taking this journey with me throughout all of Italy and Sicily. I pray you have a great day. Ciao.